How sexual abuse occurs. Sexual abuse behavior occurs because of a social context. There are several things that contribute to understanding sexual behavior, namely 1. Social norms that justify violence. 2. The use of power over others. 3. Subjugation, strength or power towards women. 4. Silence towards violence and openness. Bullying in all its forms is one of the root causes of sexual abuse behavior. Sexual abuse is not a single event that happens to some people randomly and unpredictably. These are patterns of behavior that are normalized and supported by existing systems. Sexual abuse is also not about sex, but about power and control.
Sexual harassment is a form of misconduct that involves unwelcome sexual advances, requests for sexual favors, or other verbal or physical conduct that is sexual in nature.
It can occur in various environments such as workplaces, schools, or public spaces and can create a hostile or intimidating environment for the victim. Sexual harassment is a violation of a person's dignity and can have severe emotional and psychological effects on the person being harassed. It is important for individuals and organizations to recognize and address sexual harassment to ensure a safe and respectful environment for all.
Sexual abuse can have a significant impact on the mental health of teenagers. When a teenager experiences sexual abuse, it can lead to feelings of shame, guilt, and worthlessness. They may also struggle with feelings of confusion, fear, and anxiety. The trauma of sexual abuse can result in a range of mental health issues, including depression, anxiety, post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD, and even suicidal thoughts. Teenagers may also experience difficulties in forming healthy relationships, trust issues, and problems with intimacy.
Sexual abuse can also affect a teenager's self-esteem and self-confidence, leading to a negative self-image and an increased risk of engaging in risky behaviors, such as substance abuse or self-harm. Overall, the psychological impact of sexual abuse on teenagers can be long-lasting and may require professional therapy and support to overcome. It is crucial for teenagers who have experienced sexual abuse to receive proper care and support to help them.
Understanding how sexual abuse impact adolescent mental health. Sexual abuse during adolescence can have profound and lasting effect on mental health. Sexual abuse refers to any unwanted or coerced sexual activity or behavior imposed on an adolescent by an individual of any age. This form of abuse can take many forms, including molestation, rape, conception, or exploitation. The impact of sexual abuse on adolescent mental health can be devastating and multifaceted. Depression and anxiety. Sexual abuse survivors are at higher risk of developing depression and anxiety disorders. They may experience persistent sadness, loss of esteem, social withdrawal, and intense worry or fear. Self-harm and suicidal thoughts. Adolescents who have been sexually abused are more likely to engage in self-harming behaviors like cutting or burning themselves. They may also struggle with suicidal thoughts or attempts due to overwhelming emotional pain.
In summary, Sexual abuse significantly affects adolescent mental health, leading to issues like depression, anxiety, and low self-esteem. Addressing this issue requires collective action and provides support for affected individuals, and not blaming victims of sexual abuse.